As the box is opened, a sleek Smart Paintbrush reveals itself. Designed with modern aesthetics in mind, it features a built-in color scanner that ensures perfect matches with any surface. Not only does it have customizable brush settings, but its ergonomic grip makes it comfortable for hours of creative painting. Excitement builds as we connect it to the app, showcasing real-time color suggestions and project tracking. Finally, this innovative tool is recommended for both hobbyists and professional artists looking to enhance their creativity.